Picture this: you're scrolling through YouTube and stumble upon a channel making $50,000 monthly from faceless videos. No camera, no editing degree, no expensive software. Just pure storytelling magic that captivates millions. Sound impossible? What if I told you that you could create these same high-earning videos using nothing but free tools and a laptop? Today, I'm revealing the complete blueprint that content creators don't want you to know about. The faceless video revolution is transforming how people make money online. While others struggle with complex editing software and hefty budgets, smart creators are building empires using accessible technology. Documentary-style content dominates this space because viewers crave educational entertainment that transports them into fascinating worlds without seeing a single face. Here's the reality check: traditional video creation demands expensive equipment, professional editing skills, and significant time investments. But we're living in an era where artificial intelligence and intuitive design platforms have democratized content creation. The barriers that once kept ordinary people from competing with big production companies have crumbled. Let me introduce you to your secret weapon: a strategic combination of AI-powered tools and creative platforms that costs absolutely nothing to start. We're talking about leveraging ChatGPT for scriptwriting, advanced text-to-speech technology for professional voiceovers, and Canva for stunning visual storytelling. This trinity of tools can produce content that rivals videos created with $1,000 software suites. The foundation of every viral documentary lies in compelling storytelling. Your script determines whether viewers stay engaged or click away within the first 10 seconds. This is where ChatGPT becomes invaluable. Instead of spending hours researching and structuring content, you can generate comprehensive scripts in minutes. Start by crafting specific prompts that yield actionable results. Request documentary scripts with built-in scene descriptions and searchable keywords. For example, asking for a script about ancient civilizations with Canva-friendly visual elements ensures your content aligns with available resources. The key is being precise about your requirements while leaving room for creative interpretation. Once ChatGPT generates your initial script, transformation begins. Raw AI content needs human refinement to achieve emotional resonance. Add personality, adjust pacing, and inject curiosity gaps that keep viewers invested. Professional scriptwriters understand that pauses, emphasis, and emotional beats are what separate amateur content from viral sensations. Voice selection can make or break your entire project. While Canva offers basic text-to-speech functionality, platforms like ElevenLabs and PlayHT deliver Hollywood-quality narration that commands attention. These services provide generous free tiers that support multiple projects without upfront investment. Choose voices that match your content's emotional tone. Mysterious topics demand deeper, more authoritative voices, while uplifting subjects benefit from warmer, more approachable narration. Don't underestimate this decision: your voice becomes the invisible host guiding viewers through their journey. Now comes the visual magic where Canva truly shines. Open a YouTube video project and prepare to transform a blank canvas into cinematic storytelling. Begin by establishing your visual identity with consistent color schemes and atmospheric elements. Black backgrounds create dramatic tension perfect for documentary content. Upload your voiceover and create corresponding timeline pages. This structure becomes your editing roadmap, ensuring visuals sync perfectly with narration. The free version of Canva requires strategic planning, so gather all necessary elements before diving into detailed editing. Search for images, illustrations, and graphics using your predetermined keywords. Canva's vast library contains millions of assets, but finding the right elements efficiently requires organization. Create a resource page where you collect all visual components before beginning assembly. This preparation saves hours of frustration during the creative process. Your opening sequence determines everything. Viewers decide within seconds whether your content deserves their time, making your introduction the most critical component. Create impact through rapid-fire visual sequences that immediately establish your topic's significance and promise valuable insights ahead. Apply cinematic effects to elevate basic images into professional-looking footage. Adjust temperature, contrast, and vignette settings to achieve that documentary aesthetic viewers associate with high-production content. These subtle enhancements transform amateur visuals into compelling storytelling elements. Animation breathes life into static images. Canva offers numerous animation presets, but strategic selection creates the difference between generic content and memorable experiences. Sharp, dynamic animations work well for attention-grabbing moments, while smooth fades maintain viewer immersion during reflective passages. Sound design separates good videos from extraordinary ones. Layer background music, sound effects, and ambient noise to create rich audio landscapes that support your narrative. Canva's audio library provides excellent starting points, but combining multiple elements creates unique soundscapes that enhance emotional impact. Timing everything perfectly requires patience and attention to detail. Use Canva's element timing features to orchestrate when graphics appear, ensuring seamless coordination between visuals, voiceover, and sound effects. This precision transforms amateur projects into professional presentations that captivate audiences. Advanced animation techniques involve layering multiple elements with custom movements. Create depth by positioning graphics at different timeline points and applying varied animation styles. Masking effects, where images emerge from behind frames or geometric shapes, add sophisticated visual interest that keeps viewers engaged throughout longer segments. Geographic storytelling benefits from creative map animations. Start with overview shots and gradually zoom into specific regions while layering relevant imagery. This technique works exceptionally well for historical content, travel documentaries, or any topic with geographical significance. Color grading maintains visual consistency while evoking specific emotions. Warm tones create comfortable, inviting atmospheres, while cooler palettes suggest mystery or professionalism. Gradient overlays and border treatments add polish that distinguishes your content from amateur productions. Custom graphics and illustrations provide unique visual elements unavailable elsewhere. Canva's drawing tools enable simple line art, geometric shapes, and decorative elements that reinforce your brand identity. These personalized touches prevent your videos from looking generic while building recognizable visual themes. Transition variety prevents monotonous viewing experiences. Mix cuts, fades, wipes, and creative reveals to maintain dynamic pacing throughout your content. However, avoid overusing flashy transitions that distract from your message. The best transitions feel invisible while smoothly guiding viewers between concepts. Caption integration improves accessibility while boosting engagement metrics. Unfortunately, Canva's caption tools work only with uploaded video files, requiring you to export and re-import your project for automatic subtitle generation. This extra step significantly improves viewer retention and algorithmic performance. Export settings affect final video quality and file size. Choose high-definition settings for crisp visuals, but consider compression for faster upload times and broader device compatibility. Test different export configurations to find the optimal balance between quality and practicality. The monetization potential for Faceless videos extends far beyond YouTube ad revenue. Successful creators develop multiple income streams including affiliate marketing, course sales, sponsorship deals, and merchandise. Documentary-style content particularly attracts engaged audiences willing to invest in related products and services. Consistency builds audiences and algorithmic favor. Develop sustainable production workflows that enable regular publishing schedules. Document your processes, create template projects, and establish content calendars that maintain momentum without causing creator burnout. Niche selection dramatically impacts your success potential. Research underserved topics with passionate audiences but limited high-quality content. Historical mysteries, scientific discoveries, cultural explorations, and biographical stories often perform exceptionally well while offering endless content possibilities. Thumbnail design deserves separate attention as it directly influences click-through rates. Create compelling preview images that accurately represent your content while standing out in crowded search results. Use bold text, contrasting colors, and intriguing imagery that sparks curiosity without resorting to clickbait tactics. Audience engagement extends beyond video creation into community building. Respond to comments, ask questions that encourage discussion, and create content that addresses viewer interests and feedback. This relationship building transforms casual viewers into loyal subscribers who eagerly await your next release. Analytics understanding helps optimize future content. Study retention graphs to identify where viewers disengage, analyze traffic sources to understand discovery patterns, and monitor demographic data to refine targeting strategies. Data-driven decision-making accelerates channel growth and revenue potential. The competitive landscape continuously evolves, demanding adaptability and innovation. Stay current with platform algorithm changes, emerging trends, and new tool capabilities. What works today might become obsolete tomorrow, making continuous learning essential for long-term success. International audiences represent untapped opportunities for expansion. Consider creating versions with different languages or cultural perspectives on universal topics. Translation tools and voice synthesis technology make global content distribution more accessible than ever before. Brand development through consistent visual identity, messaging, and quality standards builds recognition and trust. Successful faceless channels often become as recognizable as face-to-camera creators through distinctive styles and reliable value delivery. The journey from complete beginner to successful faceless video creator requires patience, persistence, and continuous improvement. Your first videos won't achieve viral status immediately, but each project builds skills and audience connection that compound over time. Start today with your first script, choose your voice, and begin creating. The tools exist, the audience awaits, and your unique perspective deserves to be shared with the world. Remember, every successful creator started exactly where you are now, with an idea and the courage to begin. Your faceless video empire awaits. Take action, stay consistent, and watch as your creative vision transforms into sustainable online income through the power of strategic content creation.